Greetings, in this video tutorial, we will show how you can customize lead forms in WP Maps Store Locator software. WP Maps has integrated lead forms that can be used to acquire customer information, such as email, phone number, and other information. You can customize these lead forms to add additional fields to acquire data that is relevant to their business, or you can embed third-party forms like HubSpot forms, which will directly send data to your CRM. Log in at wpmaps.com. Let's start with WP Maps. Built-in lead forms customization. Firstly, we need to go to the widgets page and scroll down to the widgets build section. Next, we have to select the build for which we will customize the lead form. Press on Options, then press the Customize button. Once we are at the Template Customizer page, we first need to select Lead Form from the Template section drop-down menu. Now we can customize the lead form either via HTML or by using the UI editor. Let's use the UI editor to add an extra field on the lead form. Click on Insert Field on the lead form field page. Type in the name of the field that you want to add to the lead form. For example, many businesses find it useful to know a customer's profession, so we will add the profession field by typing it in the label field. The name field will have the same entry as the label field, with the only exception being that the entry should be in all lowercase and separated with a hyphen instead of spaces. Now, we select field type for the profession field. Here is a list of field types you can choose. We will keep it as text. Once you are done, click on Add Field. Then press Save Changes on the Template Customizer. Now you can check the lead form by clicking on the Preview button. As you can see, the profession field has been added to the lead form. Second chapter, HubSpot Forms Integration. If you want to use HubSpot or other forms, you can do by JS code. To do this, we need to go back to the widgets page and select the build we want to modify. Using the Customize button. Once we are on the Template Customization page, we will first need to select what we want to modify using the drop-down menu in the Template Selection field. Here are all the elements of the product and store locator you can modify using JS code. Select lead form now. We simply have to click on the JS code button, and once we are at the code editor, we will insert our code. To complete the code, we need to go to our HubSpot account. HubSpot account, select the form you wish to integrate with WP Maps from the Forms section. Click on the Edit button next to the form name. Then click on Embed on the next page. Click on Embed Code on the modal window. Copy the code and go back to the WP Maps JS editor and paste it here. Edit the code as shown. For where you want to show the form, you will add the code which is target class in between. You can get the classes from our documentation page. A link for the documentation page will be provided in the description. Close the code, and we need to press Save Code. Then press Save Changes. We can preview the locator widget to verify the change. As you can see, the default lead form has been changed. This is just one of the many things users can do by using JS code on WP Maps. That's it for this tutorial. A link to our support page will also be made available for you. Moreover, you can contact us by email at support@maps.com for any concerns.